Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain completely about inheritance concept. So inheritance is nothing but acquiring parent properties in child. So it's not like that, but see, acquiring properties of some other classes with extends keyword is nothing but inheritance. So inheritance is all of 5 types, and now we will be discussing about single inheritance. So inheriting, how to inherit methods, or how to inherit variables from other class to our current class is nothing but inheritance concept. Now just see here, now I have test and father and mother, something I have for your just understanding. Now father has method 1 and method 2, and mother has method 3 and method 4. Now what is single inheritance means, now i can I can inherit only from one place, one from father or mother with a extends keyword, but not both father and mother. Now just see here, now if test extends fath father, now you see here father and now if I want to get this method of father in my current class, so this is instance method. Right now class father contains two instance method here. For example, just think this is a static method, so one is instance method and one is static method here. So we know how to call instance method in static method. So main method is nothing but static method. So how to call it? With the first we need to create the object. So we can create object with this or also this. For example, if we create like this also it works. Father is equals to new father, right? Now father dot method, sorry, now father dot method 1 kada, method 3, sorry, it's method 3 kada. Oh shit, everything is wrong here. So we need, I will change it. We will be getting a little bit confused. This is method 1, this is method 2, and this is method 3, and this is method 4. Now watch carefully here. Now my test class has extended the father properties, right? So here now I can call it like this: father is equal to father dot m3 m1 and father. Now this is static method, right? Now we can't call with this. So first if you compile, m1 method will be executed. See, m1 method, that means I didn't have in this test class, I don't have any m1 method, but with using extends keyword I can call the m1 method from father class. So static method, how to call the static method? Simply with a class name. So father, fathe, father, okay, close. Or let's, sorry, how to I forgot. Fathe, father dot method 2, right? That's a static method, right? So class name dot method, when I use this thing, I use the object reference variable, but not, I should call with the class name dot method 2. Now if you call this, m1 and m2 method both will be executed, right? Now you don't get confused. In the beginning I call the instance variable creating object, and the second method by with the class name. Now you might be asking, can I call this, can I call the methods, can I call the m1 method and m2 method using test? Yes, you can call. Simply create test equals to new test, right? So test dot m1 and other one is test dot your class name, right? In this way also we will be getting printed, because we the tests, when we extend the father, so the test will have the equal responsibilities of this method like its own methods, right? So here you might be having some question. So you said I can only extend one at a time. So what if I want two methods, what if I want two classes, right? Now here you said multiple higher, we can't extend two classes in one class. So what if I want the father and mother class in test class? So what we have to do, we need to extend father with the, right? Now father has m1 method, m2 method, as well m3 method and m4 method, right? Now test is calling the father method. Now father has the mother method, these two methods, and its own two methods, right? Now we can call all the methods here. For example, like test is equals to new test, right? Now see test dot m1 method, test dot m2 method, sorry m2 method is static method, right? So we need to call with test dot m2 method with the class name, right? Again, so don't get confused, I will remove this, so it might be seamless. So t dot m1, so this test is nothing but the class name, so class name dot method 2, so t dot m3 and t dot m4, right? So when you execute this, so all the four methods are available in test.